girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, I am doing an unboxing. Y'all know how much I love unboxings. This unboxing is super special because I am collabing with Bee.Kind Shop. If you guys don't know what Bee.Kind Shop is, they have super cute jewelry. They have like some teddy bears on their website, but their whole mission is to protect bee colonies all around the world. And if you know me, I love collaborating with brands that stand for something. And yeah, so enough of this chit chat. Let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so here is my package. Look how cute it is. I'm gonna just zoom in. It's super cute. I love, one of my favorite things about this brand is that with every purchase you make on their website, they donate a portion of the money to protect bees all around the world, making sure that they are in safe environments. So yes, I love that. So I got this little envelope. Oh, it has stickers. Hold on, let's open it. Oh, they have cute little stickers. This one is a sunflower and it says bless. Also, if you know me, well, probably don't know this about me, but I love sunflowers. It was my Mima's favorite flower and she passed away, so I absolutely love sunflowers. So this one really means a lot to me. And then we got some cute little bees going on here. And then this one says, "You are my sunshine," with a sunflower. I love this. These two sunflower ones will definitely hold a special place in my heart. So then it comes with this little card, which we all love, and it says, "Thank you. We would like to reach out and thank you for your order from Bee.Kind Shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving bees and helping them develop colonies safely," which is what I mentioned before. "We hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but also remind you about the good cause that you are now a part of. Welcome to the Bee.Kind family." I love that. And then on the back, it has a 20% off and then contacts, and if you want to, you know, share your posts, and it has a little scan me thing right here. So we love that. Let's get into these jewelry pieces. Okay, they come with little sunflowers, guys. Like, I actually really love this, and they low-key kind of feel real. Okay, so let's get into this first one. Look how cute. I love this. So the first item I picked out is this super cute necklace. Hold on, I'm trying to take it out of the box without like breaking everything. Okay, I have to like pop the box open. Yes, so the first item I got is this super cute, I don't know if you guys can see, this super cute necklace, and it says, "You are my sunshine," and it's a heart and a sunflower like I mentioned before. Sunflowers is just something like super special to me and my family just because it was my Mima's favorite flower. So yes, I love this. I believe this necklace is sterling silver, which we all love, so that means it's not going to rust. But it's super pretty. It's so elegant. Like, even though it's like low-key kind of, it's not like too big, but it's not too small. It's just like the perfect size. And I love it. And the little sunflower has like a little like jewel in the middle of it. We love that. And it's so thin. I love it. Let's get into the next item. They all come in, like I said, this super cute box with the little sunflower, and it says handcrafted with love. The other one said especially for you. Well, two of them says especially for you, and this one says handcrafted with love. So we love that. Okay, next we have, let's see, I believe this is a bracelet. Yes, The next item I received is this gold bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see. If you guys can't see, I'll include a picture of it. But it's this super cute, like, gold, very dainty, which I love dainty jewelry, bracelet, and it has a little bee on it. If you guys can see. Yes, there it is right there. And it's so cute. I love, like, dainty jewelry that's, like, not bulky at all. Like, when it comes to jewelry, I guess you can say, like, I'm super girly with it. Like, I love, like, super cute dainty jewelry. I'm not really into, like, super bulky jewelry, but I love this. And it's gold. I love gold jewelry. Like, I feel like gold jewelry looks so good on my skin. So yes, I'm so happy with this. And for the last item, especially for me, let's see, this one was like my absolute favorite on the website. This necklace, it's a sunflower, but it's like a bedazzled like sunflower, and it's gold. Hold on, let's see if my camera can focus. Hold on. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus. Well, I will include a picture of it because my camera doesn't want to focus today, but it's this super cute like sunflower. Oh my god, when you like touch it, it turns. It literally spins. I can't speak, but it's, I don't know if you guys can see, but it spins and it's so cute. Another dainty necklace. This necklace is gold. I don't know if I mentioned that before, where the first necklace was sterling silver. But I love this. It's like so simple but so cute. I love that it has the little turning detail where it can spin. I wonder if it's like one of those like windmills that like in the wind it'll start turning. I wonder if this will turn on its own. So low-key kind of can't wait to wear this in public to see if that actually happens. But if not, I still think it's so cute. I love that it has just that cute little simple detail that gives it a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, and these were all handcrafted with love. We love to see it, guys. Like, we super love to see it. I want to thank Bee.Kind so much for providing me with these items and sponsoring this video and just wanting to collab with me. I absolutely love the cause, and I love that you guys work with nonprofit organizations to help bees and get them, you know, into colonies and just make sure that bees are safe, because bees are very important to our environment. Yes, I know a lot of people are scared of bees and getting stung by bees, especially if you're allergic to bees, but listen, with bees comes honey, and we just love honey. So, well, I love honey. So yes, I'm so thankful. And like I said, if you guys want to make a purchase, I will provide the details down below in my description, so make sure you guys check them out. Their prices are very affordable. It wasn't nothing too crazy, and like I said, you are still helping a cause. With a purchase, you are helping the bees, and we love that. You know, I feel like this is the season to give, because, you know, holiday time. You know, yes, you receive, but it's also the season to give, and I feel like giving to a cause that is so special and so different. You don't really hear a lot of brands collaborating and working on saving bees, you know, especially. So yes, shout out once again to Bee.Kind. I am so thankful, and yes, I cannot wait to rock these super cute items. They're gonna look so cute. I'm already clearly rocking the bracelet that I love so much already. So yes, once again, thank you so much, and thank you to my loyal subscribers, because none of this would be possible without you guys. So yes, I love you all so much. Please be safe out here. It's a lot of craziness going on in the world. Please be safe. Don't forget to mask up, and I will see you guys in my next video.